about to safely unhook the dolly itself. With the chains, safety chains connected to the trailer. You want to make sure you get the pintle hook up. Safety secured. Give it a good squat. Make sure you lay down, back straight up, chin up, pull back. It's like the crowd walking backwards. And rest off. Make sure you pull the brakes out. The air brakes up. Make sure it's in the right position. The other dolly there, you're safe. Once the dolly's at its rest, you want to pull your phone out. Make sure you get a picture of it. What you're looking for in the picture, you want to make sure you get these numbers right here. But you also want to make sure you got the positions of the dollies in the back, just to cover your position. That's how you safely unhook dollies.